In this video, we're going to take a look at how to send money to friends and family using the PayPal app. To get started, make sure that you're logged into your PayPal app and that you either have funds inside of your account or that you have an external bank connected to transfer funds. If you need help doing that, I've done a video in the past showing you how, and I'll link to it down below. Once you're logged in and you're on the home screen though, tap the send button on the bottom left of the page here. I'm updated to the latest version of PayPal as of now, so if yours looks a little bit different, just make sure that you're updated. On the next screen, you'll see a list of all of your contacts. You can then scroll through here and find the person that you want to send money to, or you can search for them using the search bar here at the top of the screen. You can search using name, PayPal username, their email, or their phone number. Choose the person that you want to send the money to, and on the next screen, enter the amount that you want to send. If you want, you can also enter a message to the person, say if you want to congratulate or remind them on what the money is for. When you're ready, hit next. The next screen is the important part here. If you're sending money for goods and services, you can check the first option. This protects you and allows for refunds, but does cost a fee to the seller or whoever you're sending the money to. But since we don't need the purchase protection and we're sending money to a friend, choose for friends and family. You can then choose where the funds are going to come from. If you have a PayPal balance or you have your bank directly connected, then there's no fees. If you send using a card funding source though, then there's going to be a small fee that you have to pay. Choose what source that you want to use and then hit next. Confirm that everything looks good on this next screen, and if you need to make any adjustments, do them here. And when you're ready, hit send at the bottom. PayPal will then send the money over to the person you chose where they'll receive it into their PayPal account. And that's how you send money to friends and family using the PayPal app.